Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Doc you want to convert. Make sure you've finalized edits and adjusted page layout because the PDF will mirror those settings. This prevents rework. Once done, review images and headers to confirm placement and resolution so nothing shifts. Also check sharing. Make sure you own or can edit the document, otherwise exports may be limited. These first steps save time and ensure the exported PDF looks exactly as intended when you follow the next actions. You now export the document to PDF using built-in options. From the menu, choose File, then Download, and select PDF document. This creates a clean, printer-ready file quickly. Alternatively, use Print and Set Destination to save as PDF if you need to tweak margins, scaling, or orientation before saving. Once you choose, name the file and pick a folder so you can find it. Make sure to check file size and page order. If images blow up the file, reduce resolution before re-exporting. You finish by opening the PDF and scanning every page for layout shifts, broken links, or missing fonts because visual verification avoids delivery issues. If formatting breaks, try the print to PDF route or download as Word and convert. These alternate paths often preserve tricky elements. Once fixed, re-export. If the PDF is too large, compress images or reduce DPI, then save again. One key tip: if exports fail, clear browser cache or try an incognito window. This often resolves permission or caching errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.